guys, so in my last video I said that I was going to do a ThredUp update. So I sent in some items to ThredUp about a month ago, and surprisingly they accepted pretty much every item that I chose except for the men's item that I mistakenly sent to them because they don't do men's stuff, and then one pair of shoes that got sent back. And if you want to see the items that I gave to them, that's in my last ThredUp video. I was pleasantly surprised that they accepted almost everything. The only thing though is that the dollar amount that I'm getting for those items is so low. So I'm going to talk about how to increase the value to really make it worth it. So I do think it's a great platform as far as saving time. So if you're a Posh seller or an eBay seller like I am, you have a little one or you have like different things going on in your life, but you still love, reselling and cleaning out your stuff and keeping everything organized, I think ThredUp is a great alternative to keep you in that zone. My last video, I also mentioned that you couldn't donate the items that they didn't accept, but since then they have actually changed some of their features. So if you order a standard cleanout kit, you can actually choose to get your items donated now. So that's really cool that they added that. And also, so this time around, I requested a Luxe cleanout bag because I have a couple of higher end items that, as far as the brands go, they have a list of them on their website. But for example, some of the Luxe brands are Michael Kors, Chanel, Prada, Gucci, Celine, Burberry. They have a bunch of luxury brands. Some of them I have never even heard of, but a lot of them I have, and they're not even like super high-end. Like Michael Kors, I don't think it's super high-end, but they do consider it as one of their Luxe items. So this time around I received a shipping label from them, and I did not get a bag. So if you are familiar with their bags, they're those big turquoise and white polka dotted poly mailer bags, and they're really cool. I didn't get one with this shipping label, so with the Luxe, you can actually choose any bag or any box that you want to send, which is equally as good, I think, because I have so many Amazon boxes that I have no use for. So I'm going to use some of those to package my Luxe items. So here's what you get. You get a little like informational packet about what Luxe items that they accept. So even if you have non-Luxe items, you can fill them. It says here you can actually put them in with your Luxe items. So you have to, or Luxe, I don't know, Luxe or Luxe. But anyway, so if you have other items, like I have a bunch of items that aren't in their Luxe category, but I'm going to send those back as well with the Luxe items. So that's all you do. You seal it and send it, and then you wait, and they list your items within about 2 weeks. And then what else I thought was really cool, it says if you want an item back, once the item has been listed on our site for 1 week, you can reclaim it on the selling history page. Sometimes if you get a little disappointed in the dollar amount that they put your item up for, you can actually reclaim it. So there's really like no risk to try this out, so I'm excited to do that. I also wanted to quickly tell you guys about the percentages, because for probably your items like under 50, I would stick to Poshmark. You're going to get still the 80% back. As far as like higher end items, ThredUp is going to give 60 to 80% back to you of any item that is listed for over $100. So considering all the time you're going to save listing the item and trying to sell it on your own, I feel like it's totally worth it to send it in to ThredUp. And any item over $200 listing price, they're going to give you 80%, which is what Poshmark is going to give you. So I definitely feel like the advantage of ThredUp is to use it for your higher end items, because you're pretty much going to get the same amount as if you tried on your own, and you don't have to do all the work. So I feel like it's a great way to save time, and you're still going to get the money. As far as the categories go with ThredUp, so they don't do the men's section, men's clothing, but they pretty much do everything else. Like they do women's, designer, regular women's, maternity, plus size, girls, boys, baby, shoes, handbags, accessories, and jewelry. So send whatever you think that they would like. They go for more of the contemporary items, contemporary brands that they know are going to do really well. So I saw here on the little card that they gave me in the back, they typed up all of the brands that they have for their Luxe category. So it's also listed on their website, but I just wanted to tell you guys a couple of more, like Marc Jacobs is on here, Acne, D Squared, Azzaro, Jean Paul Gaultier, Versace I already said, Marchesa, Derek Lam, I have a Derek Lam bathing suit, Elie Saab, Christian Dior, Roberto Cavalli. So if you have any Roberto Cavalli sunglasses, send them on in. So yeah, there are just so many Luxe brands that they accept. So I would definitely try it if you have higher end items that you want to sell them. And I also heard something, I'm not sure, I haven't researched it on my own, but I heard another reseller mentioning that even if you just send in one Luxe item and then all of your other items are non-Luxe, you're still going to be able to control the price. So if you just send in non-Luxe items, the ThredUp is going to price all of your non-Luxe items for you. But as long as you send in one Luxe item and then a bunch of non-Luxe items, you're able to actually go in there and price your items. So you can make a little more money that way. I haven't tested that out, but I heard that you can do that. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much my update on ThredUp. I think it's a great alternative if you need to save time and get your items out of your closet. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Check them out and let me guys know what you think.